Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to add speaker notes in PowerPoint. Let's start. How to adding speaker notes. Open presentation file. Click Notes in the bottom. And click to add notes. In here you can add notes. Text that you enter here will be visible during your presentation, but not for your audience. How to present with speaker notes. Click the slideshow menu in Presentation PowerPoint. Check Use Presenter View. Let's try. How to use the presenter view. Click 3 point in bottom. Show presenting view. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.